श्रीराम समर्थ श्रीराम. दशक चौथा नवविधा भक्ती. समास तिसरा नामस्मरण भक्ती.
Dashak 4 Ninefold Devotion. Chapter 3 Remembering Lord Vishnu. Shri Ram.
मागा निरोपिले कीर्तन, जे सकळास करी पावन. आता ऐका विष्णू स्मरण, तिसरी भक्ती.
In the last chapter, the second type of devotion, which is Kirtan, which purifies everybody, was explained. Now, please listen to the third type, which is to remember Lord Vishnu.
स्मरण देवाचे करावे, अखंड नाम जपत जावे. नामस्मरणे पावावे समाधान.
We should remember God. We should repeat His name continuously. And by remembering the name, we should get peace.
नित्य नेम प्रातः काळी, माध्यान काळी, सायंकाळी. नामस्मरण सर्व काळी करीत जावे.
This, remembering the name of God, should be regularly done. In the morning, in the noon, in the evening, almost all the time.
सुख दुःख उद्वेग चिंता, अथवा आनंद रूप असता. नामस्मरणे विण सर्वथा राहोच नये.
We should not remain without taking the name in our happiness, pain, depression, worry, or when we are in blissful mood.
हरुषकाळी विषमकाळी, पर्वकाळी प्रस्तावकाळी, विश्रांतिकाळी निद्राकाळी नामस्मरण करावे.
The remembering of the name should be continued in the times of enjoyment, in difficulties, in the auspicious festival days, at the time of rest, and even before going to sleep.
कोडे सांगडे संकट, नाना संसार खटपट. अवस्थात लागता चटपट नामस्मरण करावे.
There may be problems, calamities, awkward conditions, or we may be busy in various activities, or we may be worried due to it, but remembering the name must be done.
चालता बोलता धंदा करिता, खाता जेविता सुखी होता. नाना उपभोग भोगिता नाम विसरो नये.
We should not forget the name of God while walking, while talking, while doing business, while eating, while dining, while enjoying, and while being happy with objects of our senses.
संपत्ती अथवा विपत्ती, जैसी पडेळ काळगती. नामस्मरणाची स्थिती सांडूच नये.
There may be prosperity or calamity. Whatever may be our condition, we should not miss our steady remembrance of the name.
वैभव सामर्थ्य आणि सत्ता, नाना पदार्थ चालता. उत्कट भाग्यश्री भोगता, नामस्मरण सांडू नये.
There may be glory, great capacity, and great power and authority. All necessities may be easily available, and we may be very rich. Even then, we should not forget the name of God.
आधी आवदसा मगदसा, अथवा दसे उपरी आवदसा. प्रसंग असो भलतैसा, परंतु नाम सोडू नये.
There may be pitiable conditions followed by prosperity, or good financial conditions followed by poverty. Our condition may be of any type, but we should not stop taking the name of God.
नामे संकटे नासती, नामे विघ्ने निवारती. नामस्मरणे पाविजेती उत्तम पदे.
By name that is taken regularly, calamities are destroyed, difficulties are avoided, and we get high positions in spiritual world.
भूत पिशाच नाना छंद, ब्रह्म गिर्हो ब्राह्मण संबंध. मंत्रचळ नाना खेद, नामनिष्ठे नासती.
By having faith in the name, the troubles from ghosts, or the evil beings from astral world, or the disturbances caused by deceased Brahmin's spirit, or by mistakes, by faults, In repetition of tantric mantras, all these are avoided.
नामे विषबाधा हरती, नामे चेडे चेटके नासती, नामे होये उत्तम गती अंतकाळी.
By the power of God's name, the effect of poisons is removed, black magic is retaliated, and we get higher path after death.
बाळपणी तारुण्य काळी, कठीण काळी, वृद्धाप्य काळी, सर्व काळी अंतकाळी नामस्मरण असावे.
The name should be taken continuously at all times, in childhood, in youth, in difficult times, in old age, and even at the time of death.
नामाचा महिमा जाणे शंकर, जना उपदेसी विश्वेश्वर, वाराणसी मुक्तिक्षेत्र रामनामे करुणी.
Lord Shankar, as the presiding god of Varanasi, by name Vishweshwar, knows the greatness of name and advises all to take the name of Ram. Thus, Varanasi is called the place of liberation.
उफराट्या नामासाठी वाल्मिक तरला उठाउठी, भविष्य वदला शतकोटी चरित्र रघुनाथाचे.
By taking the name of Ram in the reverse order as Mara, Valmiki was emancipated and was able to write the biography of Ram, which is very extensive, much earlier than actual happening.
हरिनामे प्रल्हाद तरला, नाना आघातापासून सुटला, नारायण नामे पावन झाला अजामेळ.
By the name of Hari, Prahlad, the devotee of God, was saved from many accidents and was liberated. Ajamil was also purified by the name of Narayana.
नामे पाषाण तरले, असंख्यात भक्त उद्धरले, महापापी तेची झाले परम पवित्र.
By the name, the stones could float. Innumerable devotees were freed, and the great sinners became pure.
परमेश्वराची अनंत नामे, स्मरता तरिजे नित्य नेमे, नामस्मरण करिता येमे बाधिजेना.
There are innumerable names of God, and by regularly repeating any name, we will be saved. And Yama, the god of death, will not be able to punish us for anything.
सहस्रा नामामध्ये कोणी एक, म्हणता होतसे सार्थक, नामस्मरता पुण्यश्लोक होईजे स्वये.
You may take any one name out of the 1,000 names. By that, the purpose of your life will be fulfilled, and you will be blessed and pious.
काहीच न करुनी प्राणी, रामनाम जपे वाणी, तेने संतुष्ट चक्रपाणी, भक्तान लागी सांभाळी.
If a person does not do any other thing but utters only the name of Rama, by that alone God is pleased and he takes care of the devotees.
नाम स्मरे निरंतर, ते जाणावे पुण्य शरीर, महादोषांचे गिरीवर रामनामे नासती.
You may very well consider that body of the person to be very blessed and meritorious who repeats the name of God, because by the name of Rama, mountains of sins can be destroyed.
अगाध महिमा नवचे बदला, नामे बहुत जन उद्धरला, हळहळा पासून सुटला प्रत्यक्ष चंद्रमौळी.
The importance of name is so great that it cannot even be described. By name, many are emancipated. Even Lord Shankar escaped the bad effects of the greatest poison called halahal by repeating the name of Rama.
चहुवर्णा नामाधिकार, नामी नाही लहान थोर, जडमूढ पैल पार पावती नामे.
Everyone has got the authority to repeat God's name, There is no condition that one should be small or great, young or old. Even the stupid, ignorant persons are liberated by reciting the name.
म्हणून नाम अखंड स्मरावे, रूपमनी आठवावे, तिसरी भक्ती स्वभावे, निरोपली.
Therefore, we should remember God's name continuously. God's appearance should be remembered in our minds all the time. Thus, the third type of devotion is described here.
इति श्री दासबोधे गुरु शिष्य संवादे नामस्मरण भक्ति नाम समासति सरा श्रीराम.
Thus, in the fourth dashak of Dasbodh, in the dialogue between the Guru and the disciple, this third chapter by name, Remembering Lord Vishnu, is completed here. Shri Ram, Samartha Shri Ram.